this is chamomile. Ew. Hi dolls! Welcome back to Lisanna Does Things. On this channel is where I cover everything glam and fabulous. And on this video, as you can tell, it's not as glam and fabulous, but it is part of trying to detoxify your body and remove all the toxins, which isn't really glam and fabulous. So on this video, as you can tell, I'm reviewing one of the foot detox pads that I use from Nord and Bear. I got this at TJ Maxx. You know, I'm already guilty. I know I shop there too much, but it's okay. One day, like, I don't know, maybe I'll get sponsored from them. Foot detox pads help remove toxins from the body. So they have ingredients in the pads where they draw out heavy metals, which are negative ions. And they use the pads, and the pads have some type of positive ions which draw out those impurities. So you put it on at night, you know, at the bottom of your feet when your feet are clean, and you wear it for 8 hours, whether you're resting or sleeping. And in the morning you take them off, and you're supposed to see everything that's gross and slimy in your body come out through these foot pads. So when I saw this at TJ Maxx, I was like, I have to get one. Like, I've always wanted them. I always wanted to try it, but I just never brought myself to trying it. So here they are. This I used for 14 days. It brings 28 individual pads, and they all have different types of properties in them. So this includes 2 sets of ginger, green tea, mint, rose, lavender, coconut, and chamomile. And it says on the box that each one has a different purpose, that it's supposed to remove certain toxins from your body. So for example, the ginger infused pads are anti-inflammatory and support circulation. Mint aids in digestion and improves mental focus. Lavender is relaxing and improves quality of sleep. The green tea infused pads have are antioxidant, and improves metabolism. Rose infused pads are antibacterial and mood boosting. Coconut infused pads are energy boosting and promote great skin. Anti-anxiety and combats insomnia is what the chamomile pads do, so each one serves a different purpose. So this is what the pads look like. On one of the mint packages, instead of getting 2 in a little plastic bag, I got 3. So this is what they look like here. It's kind of like this fabric material, kind of like a gauze. And when you open it up, they have the adhesive here that sticks onto your foot. And in this little pouch area right here is the powder of all the ingredients that are in there. So this is the green tea. And the green tea is supposed to aid in digestion and improve mental focus. The ingredients are wood vinegar extract, bamboo vinegar extract, chitin and chitosan, tourmaline, vitamin C, vegetable fiber, dextrin, and mint extract. So the main property of this is the last ingredient, so that means it's the least amount used. So I tried mine for 14 days. I'm gonna let you watch the rest of the video so you can tell. There are a couple days that are missing, but they are in chronological order. For some reason, some of the videos wouldn't upload from my phone to my laptop so I can show you guys, but go ahead and watch the videos and I'll let you know my reactions and my results, I guess. This is chamomile. Ew.
And yes, it still smells like beef jerky. Okay, you guys, this is day 14. Let's see what the results are going to be today. This is the rose one. Still gross. And still nasty. Let's take a look at the other foot. Oh, this is really nasty. Ew. Yeah, look at how nasty that is. Ew.
Alright, so you saw these really gross videos where I am peeling off the pad in the morning after getting more than 8 hours of sleep and showing you what's gross and slimy and toxic in my body that I'm removing, right? Okay. So I did a little bit of research because my theory was that throughout the process, the foot detox pads would get lighter as the days go on. I say this because, you know, if you're removing the toxins from your body, the first pad should be super dark, super gross, super yucky. And then as the days go on, if it's effectively working, then you really shouldn't see anything on it, right? Because it's pulling out the impurities. Now, that's not the case in the videos. What you saw was that each day looked the same. So each day you couldn't tell if that was day 1 or day 4 or day 7, day 14. They all look the same. So I did some research and studies show that foot detox pads don't actually work. So there's no proof, there's no evidence, and I have to say that at the time that I bought these and I tried these, I was feeling super like tired all the time. I wasn't active, I wasn't working out, I wasn't eating healthy. Like I thought this would help kind of like boost myself and kind of give me a pick-me-up. And I just didn't see that throughout the 14 days that I was using this. Like if I would have felt something that would have helped me like feel happier or feel more energized, like I would have said, okay, like maybe on day 14 like something happened, but it didn't. I didn't feel anything. Which is kind of disappointing because I was looking so forward to like trying these pads and giving a great review. But unfortunately it just didn't happen. I was hoping that towards the end of this 14-day process that I would get this white, just so I know that I'm like effectively removing the toxins from my body, but that's not what happened. I wouldn't use this again. I don't think that I got the results that I was looking for, and you would think that after a couple days of using the product, they would get lighter as the days go by, but it wasn't. You couldn't really tell day 1 from day 7 from day 14. They all look the same. It looks like wood vinegar extract and bamboo vinegar extract are the same ingredients used in all of the pads, and I just didn't see any positive results. So no, I won't be buying it again. Do I think you should try it? Maybe. Let me know if you've ever used a foot detox pad down in the comments section below. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are. Maybe I should be using another brand because this is not working out the way it should. Thanks for watching something that wasn't so glam and fabulous today. If you're a doll who's already subscribed, I love you. Go ahead and click the subscribe button down below so you can join the doll collection where I post glam and fabulous things all the time. Go ahead and click one of my other videos so we can have fun, and I'll see you there.